Hey guys, welcome to today's topic. I am going to basically make the second part of this Delphia app. As you know, Delphia app is an investment platform. They use AI plus human, right? They have a team behind it who is trained making algorithms that automatically adjusts it looks basically for your data, and then they try to make a best investment decision. Just to sum it up, when you open the account, basically I chose flagship, meaning the whatever the highest label they got, because I'm not scared of losing money, but they do have other tiers like conservative, moderate, or so on. So it's a similar to, I would say, concept like Acorn or any other platform that you get the money and they invest it for you. What's so great about this one, what really I like, is that two aspects of it. One, they're actually using your data. Don't ask me how they get your data, so that aspect I do not understand. But they do have some, they have really expert and they're trying to build, and I think it's, because they use AI or algorithm driven, we have a lot less money to lose. However, I am making this video in February 1st. The last couple of days they did lose money, so I don't know if how good of that data over their platform is. So let's get started. When you open up the platform, you're gonna see how much money, your current portfolio value right here, $117. My return of all time is $8, right? This is negative $8.42. One thing they don't show you is the percentage return. The total winner that you see on the top right, basically they have this lottery system where they are giving incentive. Every once in a while, for no reason whatsoever, I win 30 cents, 40 cents. So that's a great thing about it. And this platform doesn't charge me any money, so that's why. So here's the different. You can select your risk level: low, medium, high, max. I chose the max. That's their platform. And if you look at their max, right, what's in this portfolio, they have retail 28%, consumer service 23%, consumer durable apparel, right, food, beverage and tobacco, automobile and component, food and staples retailing 6%, household personal products 4%. So if you look at something with high, it's interesting. They have US equity, which means just the US stock market, 52%, fixed income, which means really a bond, so they're doing 20% of bond. European equity, that's another stock market, I would say international stock market, so they're doing basically 80-20 on their high. On the medium, they're doing, what is this, fixed income. So oh my god, medium, they're doing 50-50. This is somebody really 50% somebody who is stock and bond, right, who's about to retire. The 50-50 is really good gauge, so that if even if stock market goes 1929, right, where 50% of the stock market went down, so you still have 50% of your money. That's what it means. Wonder what is this low? They're doing fixed income. Oh wow, I would never recommend somebody with 70% fixed income. Yeah, that's not good way to make money. However, if you have a lot of money, you just care about monthly income, right? So that's a good way to do it. I hope I didn't change any of mine. Let's stick with this. Okay, I did not choose. So here's, as I told you, right, here's my allocation, and here are their positions, right? Cass is calls and so on. Bize, right? Let's look at the activities. Since I opened this account around November 17th, well, a little bit before, because it took them almost 5 days to take money out of my account. So it's sometime in November 2021 I opened. This is February, so November, December, January, February. So this is more like, I would say, 3 month, good 1 quarter review, more or less, how this platform is working out. So far, I'm not truly disappointed. However, I'm not very impressed. I think they can do a better job at in terms of giving more detail. How much minimum money do you need to invest before they can trade, and why are they making certain decision and that kind of stuff. I would like to see more decision, or at least they informing you what are they doing. So when I originally gave them $50 opened, right, they bought a bunch of stuff. As you can see, one of them I realized, oh, XM is Exxon, right? Crackle Barrel. I used to love that company. I still do. They have great chicken. Then November again 19th, right? They were adjusting. Then November 22, they adjusted again. In November 26, they adjusted again. Then in December, I think I put in $50, so that's when they adjusted again. Then I put another $50 in January 7th. So in 3 months, they have done about 6-7 times. That's because when I opened, I gave them $50, and then right, I opened with $50. Then I did another one $50, and then $25. So $125, I put it into the account in 3 months period. And so far, right, every market is actually going down. So there's no way really to, kind of not lose money unless you were in a bond or just holding cash. However, I mean, I am satisfied with the results. So as you can see in their account, under the history, I have deposited $125, and then they don't really have any fees. So you just link your account in there. They do have a sweepstake, that $10 million. However, that's how I got $1.30 by connecting your different, more or less, your different data attributes, which I'll show you in a minute. But here's a look at this right here. They have this thing called referral, but they really give you like a code, which is like a ticket, raffle ticket. So I don't really care about that. Here's the how you link your stuff. I just told them, hey, I have account with this, I have account with that, like Coinbase, Robinhood, PayPal, Amazon. I don't know how are they getting it. Like I imagine there's some kind of backend where they're able to just buy the data, LinkedIn, Instagram, Snapchat, and they're able to see what the hell I'm doing. I don't know how they're able to identify to that level. So these are the little things that I'm talking about, right? So come on. So that's kind of here. They have I have connected almost everything. So they're giving me 19-week your data vault, and where is that? Here's that $1.30, and that's the jackpot. And here's the $10 million all prize. I don't know who's winning this. Apparently they're giving away it every week. I highly doubt, because it's there's no way that they're spending that kind of money. I don't believe it. But anyway, so this is the account. So when you log in, when you open up the account, you certainly just put in the money and choose your investment plan, right, your portfolio strategy, and let them and their algorithm do the work for you. That's the layman's term. That's what it is. It's more like I would say, robo strategy with some human touch, I guess. Yeah. All right, guys. I hope this helps. Thank you.